Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all another My Muse product, but this is not a body massager. This is something different. Now, if you know me really well, you would know how much I love card games, whether it's about intellectual card games, whether it's about knowing someone. In fact, I've played card games in my office trips as well. I have a huge collection of card games that help you connect with people. They're mostly like intellectual based card games where you connect with the other person, get to know about deep questions and things about that person, even ideology. And I am a person who believes in these card games a lot, and I really enjoy playing them over anything else. Of course, you've got your other games like Truth and Dare, which are also card games, but I'm talking about like literal question and answers that are very touching, very deep question answers. I love card games and I've been using them since years. In fact, on my birthdays as well, I get gifted card games quite a lot. But today I have a card game that is going to add a lot of spark, fun, and of course help you connect more better in your loved life, in your relationship. Now, I've been working with My Muse for the longest time and I love how innovative they are with their products. I have a lot of different card games from My Muse I have reviewed before and shared with you guys. Like one of the favorites is Under the Sheets. This okay. So I'm currently in a long distance relationship and this thing helps a lot. Like we virtually use these cards to connect more, and this is very good. These cards do have an age group of 21 plus because this is an intimate card game. So this one okay is definitely great, and they have different kinds of questionnaires. Now this card game has a lot of different kind of things which I've already spoken about, so you guys can check that video out. And then there is one of my favorite things from My Muse, which is their surprise date scratch cards. Basically there are different date ideas over here, different categories. You scratch them and then you sort it for that date. So I love these. I have the entire bundle of it. Earlier I had their samples, like the few ones that you get, the mini ones, and then now I have the full size thing, so that's great. But these are the ones that I've already reviewed and spoken about. But there's one game that I haven't spoken about yet, and they recently launched their volume 2, so I was like, might as well review both of them together. So I'm talking about the My Muse Naughty Cards for Couples. Now this is a card game, mostly like a Q&A come dare sort of a game, and there are 2 volumes. So the first volume was such a hit that they came up with a second volume of the game. Now these, okay, again the age group is 21 plus. Then it's a 2-player game and you get 50 cards in both of these. Now the volume 1 is something that I've tried out, because the best part about these naughty cards is it has bases. So you have like base 1, base 2, base 3. Similarly, there are different kind of stages. So let's say you're just in the initial stage of your relationship and you do not want to get into a lot of intimate questions. That's best because there is segregation in this. This is so helpful for people who are new into this. It's perfect for new couples and who want to get each other better. So of course you get an instruction manual, and then you've got these different categories. Now I'll just tell you the category. It's the same category in the second volume as well, but I'll go through that. So you've got conditions, you've got fourth base, you've got third base, second base, and first base, like I told you. So first base, second base, third base, and fourth base, as well as a condition. So it's very self-explanatory. The first base is more like getting to know the other person, which I would suggest everybody to try out. It's very easy, very intimate question. And then second, third, fourth base is just to get intimate, and the condition one is something just to spice up. So if I have to give you a question, okay, from the volume 1, it's like tell your partner 3 things you love about their body, which is the first base, which is so I feel like these kind of questions are so important in a relationship because it breaks that ice, especially when it comes to intimacy or physical touch, and secondly, it just makes you fall in love with the other person more, because who doesn't like to be appreciated or get to know more about themselves or what the other person loves about themselves. And then of course there is different kind of things like make out with your partner, pass a piece of chocolate to your partner using your mouth. So all of these kind of fun intimate things, which is very normal, we all do in a relationship. But I know sometimes when you are a little too shy, or sometimes you want to do it but you want to break the ice, these cards are really helpful. And as well as it's great for people who are already in a long relationship or married, because you do tend to get bored of the same monotonous life and you want something different, you want to know something else. And to be honest, if you love 3 things about your partner today, after a year those 3 things is going to change. So this is a game that you could repeatedly play over the years. This is something that's a must have in every couple's wardrobe. as well as you've got the condition thing is again something really fun, like maintain eye contact throughout the time, all of these different kind of conditions. So this is a very fun game. So this is the volume 1. Someone who really likes to play games and you have had enough of volume 1, there is volume 2 as well. So this is a recent launch from MyMuse. This is the volume 2 of the same naughty cards for couples, and this one has the same first base, second base, third base condition thing, but there are better and more upgraded questions in here as well as conditions. So you get the same instruction manual, and then you get all of these cards with the things written on it. And also I have to give it to MyMuse as to how thoughtfully they've crafted the volume 2, because in the volume 1 there was something very predictable and basic questions, but the volume 2 is so touching and something that I'm so happy that I've got my hands on. So if I have to tell you the first base question, whisper your mind tonight, do this while pulling your partner closer. Like, this is so simple yet meaningful. Like, I just have to get closer to my partner and whisper that you're mine, and it's just going to add so much of depth. It's going to add so much of romance and intensity before you get onto your second, third, fourth base. These conditions, I really like the kind of conditions and questions they have crafted this time in the second volume. And also when it comes to the second, third, fourth bases, questions are also returned with a lot of fun and way different than their volume 1. So I have to say that the volume 1 and volume 2 is distinct separate. Like, they don't even have anything close by. I feel like the volume 1 is very beginner friendly and it's very friendly to any couple, and volume 2 is perfect if you've had enough of volume 1 and you want something more spicy and something more fun. So this is the volume 2. Also, I wanted to add on something else as well. When you're talking or when you communicate, it's actually adding on to your intimate life as well as foreplay. So these are perfect way to communicate to your partner. I know communication when you're intimate is very subjective, but I personally feel that these cards really help you to break that barrier, and especially getting to know your partner really well. Like the same way how their under the sheets cards are, those are so good, especially for a couple who wants to get to know each other really well under the sheets. So I would suggest that you definitely get your hands on these cards, because in today's world, okay, as much as people want to get into a relationship and want to get intimate and have a healthy physical as well as mental relationship, you really have to break the barrier. You really have to spice up things, make it a little different and not monotonous. And I'm so happy that we've got brands like MyMuse that helps spice up things. So I really am thankful that we've got brands like MyMuse that really help us with all these kind of things that help our intimate lives get better. Now, if you're interested in buying any of these products, you can use my code Himani on mymuse.in and get extra discount on their ongoing discounts. So yeah, this was the video, guys. I have reviewed lots of different MyMuse massagers for couples and girls, so you should definitely check those videos out. I'll leave them linked below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.